Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sausage with sayuti. It's a very simple dish and easy to make and very quick, okay? So we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the sayuti, the sausages, garlic, chilies, spring onions, okay? Saute the garlic. Okay, saute the garlic, onion, and the chilies. And then the spring onions also. Nice. And then we're gonna add the sausages. A little soy sauce. So the sausage is already cooked, so we're gonna add the sayuti, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna simmer for 5 minutes to 7 minutes, okay? Guys, so our sausages with sayuti is done. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat now. And then it's very quick, affordable, and it's very yummy, guys. Okay, so I'm going to garnish with red, okay, so that it becomes beautiful. Okay, guys, so it's tasting time. Our sausage with sayuti. It's very quick, affordable, and easy to make. Okay. It's yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack. To my Instagram, D_bro_jack. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.